Hey, hello friends. Welcome to our channel SAP SD and ABAP League Support. Okay, now this request for change released for development. Now we will see how to do the development. Okay, so you remember that the project manager, right, added one normal change here under the scope tab. You can check the second video of this change request management. Right, so as part of this normal change only, we are going to create that TRs. It might be a customizing TR or workbench TR. And after creating the TR, we will log into system and do the necessary changes. Now let's see how can we do that. So in this request for change RFC, simply we call RFC request for change. So here we have different statuses, right? Created, validation to be approved, rejected, extended scope, approved, being implemented and confirmed. Similar way, if I open this normal change document ID, click this one. So here also, again, we see some status here. And you see the name also changed here. It's a normal change. This is the change number and the description of the requirement. Create new pivot table. Again, here also we have multiple options like created, in development, being corrected, to be tested, successfully tested, handed over to deployment, preliminary import requested, test for a preliminary import, tested for production import. So like this, we have different statuses are here. Okay, so now we are going to create the transport now. Okay, let me go to edit mode now. Okay, now I'm in edit mode. You see here under the transport management tab, to create a transport request, it's grayed out now. That means what? The status of this normal changes in the created status. So we need to bring it to in development. So how can we do that? By going this, you see the actions here, start development. Again, we have two more options here. One is start development, another one is withdraw. Start development means we are going to do the development or any customized changes, and withdraw means we're completely rejecting this normal change. That means we decided not to go ahead with the changes. We are reverting back, something like that we can think of. Okay, let me make it a start development, and if I will save now. And you see here the status has been changed to 2, that is in development. And here, whenever the status moves from creator to in development, the tabs has been enabled under the transport management. That is, transport request tab has been, the button has been enabled. Now we can create the TRs. Okay, let me click this transport request. And you see here we have two buttons available, request type, that is workbench request or customizing request. And we can mention that who is the owner of this tier, and if you want to include any other users means you can include that. Okay, I will create as it as of now with the same user, create, and you see here there are two transport requests has been created. S4HK901475 is a workbench request, and you can see that one here. So workbench is a customized request. So in the next video, we'll see how to capture the changes to this TR. That's it from this video, guys. We can catch up in the next video. Bye for now.